So here is the bathroom, all nice and fairly new. Actually, it was all finished about a month ago, but I haven't put the towel racks back up yet. Okay. There are the 3 towel racks on the floor. We're only going to put 2 of them up. There are others, but they aren't here. Okay.
Could have at least emptied your bathroom trash.
I guess so.
Show my pores?
What do you mean? It's only... Yeah. Okay.
But you eat cheesies in the bathroom?
It's not cheesies. Where's the zoom on here? I'm going to zoom in. It's not cheesies. It's zest.
Oh, okay.
Zest.
Cheesy flavored zest.
Okay, so what should we do?
Gather materials, I guess. If you you've got your toolbox, and I see you've got your wall plugs.
Now I'm going to get the drill out over here.
And is that a 3/4 inch drill you've got there, Steve?
An electric drill. It's a cordless drill.
Very nice.
Oh, I wonder if I should tell my drill story.
Kind of looks like a transformer.
I got this drill for free, by the way.
Yes.
From Canada Trust.
Yeah.
TD, Canada Trust, for opening an account. And I put my, whatever, $1,000 in the account, and they sent me this beautiful drill, and then I took the money out again.
Weren't you going to get an iPod?
Oh, I missed that
point?
one. Yeah, I got there late. It had already.
Was that a substitute, or
no? The
that's...
iPod was like a year or 2 later. It was last year, but I had misread the ad, and I was late. The deal had expired. Yeah.
And what happens to those when the battery dies on you? Do you basically throw out the tool, or can you get it replaced?
Oh, no, it's rechargeable in the wall.
Okay. But what I meant was when the rechargeable, like like an iPod.
Yeah.
3 or 4 or 5 years.
I have never even recharged this yet, and
I'm not sure that's a comment on the longevity of the battery or something else.
I've used it probably 24 times. So
yeah, Yeah. Well, that's impressive.
Yeah. do the job. I think that's all we want. Perfect.
The battery needs a charge.
They're great though, aren't they? You don't have to worry about plugs. Oh dear. Well,
Oh, maybe I'm on a
do you want me to
stud.
take a try? You want me to go
Well, I
for
must be on I think I'm on a stud here.
permanently?
I wonder if that's deep enough.
Oh.
Let's see how deep that is.
And of course, when you're doing these jobs, it's important to wear the right footwear.
Yeah. Okay, well this is going in like a breeze.
Oh, I see. Okay. Got a towel?
Yeah, let me get a new towel. Purchased yesterday
Ooh.
at our local hardware store.
Oh, I need new towels.
Well, these are on sale over there.
Are they?
I
Do they have a bath towel?
Yeah, bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths.
I think it's a little crooked. Shouldn't it be more centered on the...
The towel?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, like
no,
that.
I don't measure it, but yeah.
There we go.
Okay, well this is
That's
the acid test
That
though.
is excellent.
How does it look
It looks fantastic.
from the top of the toilet?
It looks absolutely amazing. It couldn't have looked better if it had been done by professionals. What are you doing? Nothing. What was that? What did you do? Okay, let's see what this is.
What is this?
I don't know what it is.
No.